Good evening to everybody. This is Harper Reviews making an unboxing video, which is new to my channel. This American Airlines Boeing 777-200 made by Hogan in the OneWorld Livery. So let's unbox the model. I hope you see what I'm doing. I'll zoom a bit out for you. So here's the model, well packaged. And there we go. So we're not focusing yet on the model, we're going first of all to the stand included with the model. I bought this model at, I bought it at Skill Model Store, but that's not available anymore. So if you still want this model and you don't know where to find it, have a look at www.herpacollector.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description and on the video itself. So here's the American Airlines stand. There we go. Boeing 777-200. Oh, there you go. It's just a click system. Pretty easy. Zooming into the model, you might notice the OneWorld livery, member of OneWorld American Airlines. The OneWorld symbol next to the first door. The white nose, the cockpit, the nose gear, the engines. Pretty nice detail on the wings. You can see it going over there. Moving back, you see the red, by the way, is not on the model. As you may know, the model is polished, and well, my wool is red, so that may actually explain why it's red there. And there's the American Airlines tail, the American Airlines blue and red eye. So I'll now put this model on its stand. It's quite easy work. So here's the model seen from this angle. It's a nice model, and if you want one, go to www.herpacollector.co.uk. I recommend him. So it's a beautiful model. Go pick up one yourself. Hogan is excellent quality. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and bye bye. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I will review this model in another video.